Showing you one of the hippest, coolest homes I have seen in a long time. This is 437 Walnut Place, designed by architect Eric Olsen and designer Raili Clasen. This home is incredible. For starters, Walnut Place is one of the most highly sought after streets in Eastside Costa Mesa. It's this horseshoe street, quiet, beautiful homes. But inside this house, the details, everything has been thought of, from the choice in flooring to the tile to the wallpaper, the color splashes. I love everything about this home. So the backyard is your own little oasis. From the fire pit, it's just a great area to come and hang out. You've got this built-in, fully plumbed trailer for your guests to sleep in or just anyone to come over and hang. And the garage has been built out to be a playroom, a hang room. I love everything about this house. So if you love homes that are well designed, this house is the one for you. But I also love helping people find homes that are more original, that you can turn into houses like this, add your own value. So if that's something that you're interested in, would love to help you out. All my info's down below. Would love to help figure out what you need to do, whether it's sell your house now to then buy something like this. The market is crazy. The market is just doing opposite things. We're having the highest prices that we've seen in a long time for houses. And with interest rates that are up, it's wild. So if you need help navigating this, we'd love to help you figure it out. Again, Braden Flynn, Realtor in Coastal Orange County, here to serve you. See you on the next one.